look at the question very carefully. Some of the question is, find the sum of find the sum of 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 minus 2 by n plus 1 plus up to 1 minus n by n plus 1. Okay. The option is n by 2, n plus 1, n plus 1 by 2. Then option 5 is none of this. Okay. Find the sum of 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 minus 2 by n plus 1 plus ... The final term is 1 minus n by n plus 1. 1 minus n by n plus 1. Okay. Time is 30 to 45 seconds for you. Now start. Okay. Okay, time is over. Now start the solution. Given 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 minus 2 by n plus 1. Like this, the last term is 1 minus n by n plus 1. Okay, in the next step, we can write 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is up to n. Okay, now minus 1 by n plus 1 plus, if you take the minus as common, you can write 2 by n plus 1 up to n by n plus 1. Okay, in the next step, we can write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to n. That means that value should be n. N minus, we can write नीचे में कितना है 1 n plus 1 n plus 1 n plus 1. We can take the common 1 by n plus 1. Okay, 1 by n plus 1. Then we can write 1 plus 2 like this up to n. Okay, so in the next step, you can write n minus 1 by n plus 1. We can write 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. That means n into n plus 1 by 2. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं. So now n plus 1 is will cancel. Now we can write n minus n by 2. That means 2n minus n by 2. That is equal to n by 2. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, look at the solution carefully. Okay, that is n by 2. The option is 2. Okay, a very interesting questions. These types of questions are asked frequently in every examinations. SSC. Okay, look at the another questions. The question number 5. It is also asked in 2012 SSC. The question is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 11 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 41 plus 1 by 110, then 1 by 1640 is equal to how much? Is equal to how much? The questions. So find the value. Find the value. Yes. Okay. The option is, I'm giving the option you 0.97, option 2 0.99, option 3 1, option 4 1.23, option 5 is none of this. Okay, now time is 32:45 seconds for you. Try to solve. Okay, the time is over now. Look at the solution. We can write the above question. above question का हम लिख सकते हैं 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 8. Okay. Then we can write 1 by 20. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. Then 1 by 20 को इधर से ले सकते हैं. Then 1 by 11. Then 1 by 11 plus 1 by 110. Then we can write 1 by 41 plus 1 by 1640. ओके, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. ओके, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. क्या फायदा है? क्योंकि देखिए नेक्स्ट स्टेप we can write 1 by 2 1 by 5 plus 1 by 8. Okay. Then plus 1 by 20. Then we can write this 1 by 10 plus 1 by 110 को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, स्प्लिट करके लिख सकते हैं 1 by 11. Sorry. Then we can write also 1 by 20 plus 1 by 11 minus 1 by 10 को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 by 11 minus 10 ऐसे लिख सकता है. Okay. Then we can write 1 by 41, 1 by 1640 को हम लिख सकते हैं minus 1 by 41 minus 1 by 40 ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. Then in the next step we can write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 8. Okay. Now can take common, इसको लिख सकते हैं 1 by, this is cancelled if 1 by 20 plus 1 by, sorry 1 by, here 1 by, इससे लिख सकते हैं 1 by 11, if you open the bracket this को लिख सकते हैं, so 1 by 10 इसको लिख सकते हैं, then 1 by 41, if you open the bracket this is 1 by 41, this is 1 by 40. Okay, this is cancel. Now this one cancel. Now in the next step we can write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 8. Then we can take common here 1 by 20, then 1 by 10, इसको 1 by 40 इससे लिख सकता है. Okay. Then in the next step we can write 1 by 2, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 8. ब्रैकेट में क्या कितना वैल्यू है, इस एलसीएम इज 40. ओके, दिस इज 2 plus 4 plus 1 ऐसे लिख सकते हैं किसको 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 8. Okay, this much 2 plus 4, 7 by 40. This is equal to 7 by 40. Okay, now in the next step the answer should be, the LCM should be 40. Then this should be written as 20, this should be 8, this should be 5, this should be 7. Let's show in the sum of 20 plus 8 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 40. नीचे भी 40 है. Okay, this should be option. This answer should be 1. Okay, the answer is 1. So now the option 3. Okay, look at the solution very carefully. 1 by 2, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 8, 1 by 20. Then इसको लिख सकते हैं 1 by 110 को स्प्लिट कर लिख सकते हैं 1 by 11 minus 1 by 10. Then 1640 को आप स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं 41 into 40. Okay, that means 1 by 41 minus 1 by 40. Okay. Then this is number 5 question था. Then come to the number 6 questions. Number 6 questions. Question number 6. Suppose if x is equal to root 3 plus root 2, if x is equal to root 3 plus root 2, okay, then find the value of x cube by x cube minus x cube minus 1 by x cube का वैल्यू कितना है? Okay, this is the question. So the option is 10 root 2, option 2 8 root 2, option 3 14 root 2, option 4 22 root 2. Okay, if x is equal to root 3 plus root 2, okay, then find the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube. Now the time starts. 30 seconds for you. For you. Okay. The time is over. Here is the look at the solution. Given x का वैल्यू कितना है? √3 plus √2. Okay. Now here is you can write 1 by x का वैल्यू कितना हो सकता है? 1 by √3 plus √2. This is in rational form. So you have to convert in real number. So इसका alternate multiply करना सब पड़ेगा. This नीचे में इसका opposite माइनस करना पड़ेगा. √3 minus √2. So then what should be the value? Then इसका वैल्यू हो सकता है √3 minus √2 by 1. Okay. So इसका वैल्यू कितना हो सकता है? √3 minus √2. So now we can write x minus 1 by x. x का वैल्यू कितना है? √3 plus √2. Okay. Minus 1 by x का वैल्यू कितना है? √3 minus √2. So what should be the value? √3 plus 2 √2 minus √3 plus √2. Plus √2 plus √2 cancel. That should be 2 √3. Okay, that should be 1 by x 1 by √3 minus √2. Look at this question again. √3 cancel हो जाएगा. Sorry. √3 cancel हो जाएगा. Sorry. Wrong में लिखे. Diction right again. √3 plus √2 minus √3 plus √2. Okay. Now √3 cancel. That is 2 √2. So इसका वैल्यू कितना है? x minus 1 by x का वैल्यू 2 minus 2 √2. So now the question is x cube माइनस 1/x इसका वैल्यू कितना है? सो ए क्यू माइनस बी का फॉर्मूला है. सो का फॉर्मूला क्या है? x प्लस 1/x का होल क्यूब देन प्लस 3 इंटू ए का वैल्यू x 3 इंटू ए प्लस बी 3 इंटू ए प्लस बी का होल क्यूब प्लस 3 इंटू ए प्लस बी. दैट मीन्स ए प्लस बी का होल क्यूब कितना है? ए प्लस बी का sorry, this should be minus. Okay, this should be minus. So 2 root 2 का whole cube plus 3 into 2 root 2. This should be 16 root 2 plus 6 root 2. That means 22 root 2. This is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. 22 root 2. Option 4. Okay, look at the again. So here I can give you a shortcut formula. Remember it. Shortcut formula. Suppose x is equal to, here is x is equal to root 3 plus root 2. So always 1/x should be root 3 minus root 2. Okay, that means always sign is changed. Suppose we can write shortcut formula if x is equal to a plus b, so 1/root 2a plus root 2b. So 1/x should be root a minus root b. Always. This is the shortcut formula. If condition is x is equal to root a plus root b, so always 1/x should be minus root a minus root b. So if you remember this formula, you can apply directly here. X is equal to this plus this, so 1/x should be this by this. नहीं लिखना चाहिए. Directly you can get 1/x is equal to root 3 minus root. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. Okay. Now the question number 7. Question number क्या है? 7 क्या है? Write down the questions. If a is equal to 64, if a is equal to 64, and b is equal to 289, then what should be the value of under root of a plus under root of b, a whole root minus under root of b minus under root of a whole root, but to the power 1/2 gives you how much? Okay, look at the very question carefully. इसका ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. The option is 2 to the power half. Option 2, 2, option 3, 4, option 4, -2. Okay. Now time starts for you. Look at the questions very carefully. A is equal to 64, B is equal to 289. Okay. Look at the solution now. A का वैल्यू कितना है 64. So we can write 64 cos root of 289 उनका रूट ओवर है. देन माइनस बी का वैल्यू कितना है 289 माइनस 64 का. So then whole root over, then 1/2. Okay. Then we can write 289 का रूट ओवर कितना है 17. Okay. Then प्लस 64 का रूट ओवर कितना है 8. उनका होल रूट ओवर, देन उसका रूट ओवर. देन इससे भी लिख सकते हैं 64 का 8, इधर लिख सकते हैं 17, इसका रूट ओवर, होल रूट ओवर, देन उसका हाफ, पावर टू द हाफ. लिख सकते हैं 17 प्लस 8 25. 25 का रूट ओवर कितना है 5, उसका रूट ओवर है, उसका रूट ओवर है. देन इधर से 17 माइनस 8, इसका 9 लिख सकते हैं. देन टू दी पावर हाफ. ओके. इसको लिख सकते हैं 5, इसको लिख सकते हैं 3. इनका रूट ओवर है, उनका रूट ओवर है. कितना होगा पावर मीन्स 2 to the power हाफ. ओके. इस चीज को करेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. It can be written as this, like this. Okay. It is equal to root b. Okay. Yes, sir. Right. Okay, the answer is 2 to the power half. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet again in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.